We're here in Rapids, like I said we were going to be. Starting off, we have Daily Grind grips. Like I said in the beginning, I don't care about grips. I try a new pair of grips every time I order stuff from Dan's Comp, so grips don't matter. I have these 4-piece 9.2 Rise stolen trap bars. I don't know, I just started riding my bike. It feels great. I love it so much. I'm excited. And then we have the Colony Squareback stem. This is the same one David has. It's pretty great. I like it a lot. And then we have the Demolition Chris Fox fork. I don't know, I've been looking at this fork for a while and I decided I would go with this one. And then
it's beautiful.
Headset doesn't really matter. It's a headset, it's fiction headset, I don't know. I wanted to get a chrome one, so I have chrome accents. Then I have the Fly Montana 8 frame. It looks amazing. It looks so good.
Yeah, it does. I love it. That orange is beautiful.
Oh, and I suppose I skipped out, but that's okay. We have the Odyssey Chris Fox. No, Aaron Ross. Chris Fox was the fork. Yeah, Aaron Ross tires. These are pretty great. I enjoy these tires.
Alright, and then hub and wheel.
The hub. This is just my still United Supreme hub. I didn't need a new one. These are pretty good hubs. Yeah, pegs. Just the Fiction True pegs.
G-Sport hub.
Yeah, the G-Sport hub. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. Fork bolt.
Yeah, the fork bolt's pretty nice. That's my favorite thing about it, probably.
It looks so sick.
Cranks, I have Mission cranks in chrome. I have an Odyssey 28 tooth sprocket guard. I have a, I don't know, is this a stolen?
Yeah.
The stolen halfling chain. It's pretty great. I like it in black. United Supreme hub, cassette.
Same tires in the back?
Same tires in the back, obviously, yeah. Seat, this is Andrew's seat from when he got his first complete, and I kept it.
Go watch my first ever bike check. So bad.
So bad, but it was so good. It was so fun to film.
It was funny.
There's some great clips of baby Andrew, or baby Andrew and baby David.
Yeah.
United Valentino pedals. Same ones I had on my old bike, but I just got new ones. I love these pedals. They're nice.
Should be everything.
Yeah, same tags in the back. That's about it. I enjoy this bike.
We're gonna get some,
enjoy it.
and we're gonna get some clips.
You will see clips of me riding in spots. And
Spencer.
And Andrew.
When are you going to California?
And David, do a clip. David, right now.
I'm going to California.
Hold on.
This week. I'm leaving. Oh, he's gonna do a clip.
Sick.
He's gonna film there.
Yeah.
There.
Get a clip. Oh my god, he's the best.
Oh, that was really cute.
Alright, so that's it. Now you'll see some clips.
Classic Lucas right there. No footer. Let's see if we enjoyed this one. On a scale 1 to enjoy. I enjoyed that.
Fully enjoyed that.
Thorough experience.
Oh yeah.
We have made it to said skate park. And Spencer is thoroughly excited. He's always excited to ride the park. He's got some new tricks for us, apparently. So we're gonna film those, and David and Lucas are looking at some new giant stair set with a big handrail that's actually rideable. But it's gonna be a while till we do that. Alright, first new trick Spencer's got for you. He's gonna alley-oop 270, this hip transfer thing.
That was sketch. Yeah.
Count it.
Yeah.
There it is.
did. I did 2 full squares. Count it! Count it!
I enjoyed that. I was getting a little bit tired. My arms are dead. But I'll take it.
Sick.
Alright guys, hopefully you liked our little park amount in the video because we don't really ride park that much, but Spencer loves it, so it's good to go there for him and let him get some clips for you park riders. But right now, we're going to McDonald's to get some food because we're hungry. These kids are anti-park.
We're gonna make anti-parks. Hi. What's up, subscribes? Hi, subscribe. If you're not a subscribe already, be a subscribe. Yeah, be said subscribe. That would make my day enjoyable. That would make it enjoyable. You guys make BMX enjoyable.
David had to do it. Oh my god, that was so clean. What the cab in the road. I guess this means we're good.
You didn't record that, did you? What I said?
Oh yeah, Lucas said he's gonna beat the shit out of an old lady.
No, I didn't. You animal.
Animal. Oh, if you want to know what old lady, it's the one inside this building right now cleaning windows.
Itchy gizzard!
He did it for the lizard.
One more try right here.
Alright, alright. I think you can get it better.
Same clip.
Same clip. No Photoshop.
Enjoyable.
Back to back. He did it for the itchy gizzard little lizard. Woo!
No,
We just ate and we found Tanner Fox.
Yeah.
And David's riding Tanner Fox's scooter. But it's the real Tanner Fox. He can even backflip. That's how Tanner Fox he is.
I can backflip flat.
Tanner, show us your backflip to prove that you're Tanner Fox. See? It's legit. You can't argue with that.
You did one, didn't you? Like 2 more cranks. That's just this little thing.
Bike check bangers. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm fine. That Nemo
Was that
went
scary?
too fast. I told you. That's why I didn't want to do it because I knew I wanted to wait a little bit because my
Nemo?
bars are gonna move. You know, we're good.
Nemo went fast.
You know you got a little fin, but you still get
Dude, that
big
was
strong
I messed up. I almost hit Spencer.
one. Just saying, you went
That's why I didn't
way-
want anybody in front of my way. I didn't like that.
You went
That's true.
way-
Oh, that felt good.
Dude, you ready for that roof drop each weekend?
Yeah.
I'll take that. I'll take that. What do you think, Lucas?
That was sick.
Pushing for some new tricks lately. Try to make it more interesting videos.
Dude, we're gonna be good. Holy shit.
With the sweaty hands. Lucas, what do you think? What do you think? We got the boys enjoying the show over there. Them long chairs. Can't see them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.